In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your display name in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's get started. Slack is a fantastic tool for collaboration, but sometimes it's important to make sure that your profile accurately reflects who you are in your workplace. Changing your display name in Slack is a simple process and can help your colleagues recognize you easily. First things first, you'll want to open your profile. To do this, just locate your profile picture. It's typically found in the bottom left corner of the Slack window. Once you find it, simply click on your profile picture, and a menu will pop up. From that menu, select the option labeled Profile. This will bring up your profile details on the right-hand side of the screen. Now that you have your profile open, it's time to edit your details. Look for the Edit button, which should be located on the right side of the profile sidebar that just appeared. When you click that button, you'll enter the editing mode, and this is where the magic happens. In this editing mode, you will see several fields available for you to update. The one you're particularly interested in is the Display Name field. This is the name that your colleagues will actually see when they look at your profile or interact with you in channel discussions. Go ahead and type your new name into that field. You may also want to take this opportunity to update your full name or even add a job title if you'd like. These additions can make it easier for your teammates to understand your role and responsibilities. However, if you're just focused on changing your display name, that's perfectly all right too. Once you've entered your new display name and made any other changes you wish to implement, it's time to save your updates. Look at the bottom of the editing window and you'll find a button labeled Save Changes. Go ahead and click that button to apply your new name. And just like that, you've successfully changed your display name in Slack. It may seem like a small change, but having the right name displayed can really enhance communication with your team. If you're ever in doubt about how to make modifications to your profile in the future, just remember to follow these same simple steps. Your profile not only showcases your name, but also helps build your identity within the workspace. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial on changing your display name in Slack helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Also, remember to subscribe for more helpful tips on how to get the most out of your tools and software. Happy collaborating, and see you in the next